how do you pronounce the word for Japanese animation? When I was at the university, I studied teaching English as a second language so I could have a legitimate excuse to move to Japan. I had this one professor who loved jokes more than he loved grading papers, which honestly was a blessing. One day he strutted to the front of the class and said, "All right, folks, what is the correct pronunciation for this word? Either or either?" Naturally, we fell for it. The room split into two passionate factions, the either camp and the either camp. People were citing dictionaries, getting up out of their chairs. The air was tense. Friendships were ending. Someone was starting a petition. Finally, in defeat, we all turned to the professor and said, "All right, professor, which one is it? Just tell us already." With a slight mischievous grin, he said, "Either." Going back to the question at hand, Japanese animation, how do you pronounce this word? Now, I didn't grow up watching Japanese animation. The first time I really heard the word spoken was when I was in Japan by Japanese speakers. So naturally, I came back to the United States and started saying Ah-nee-may. But I quickly noticed that my otaku friends were pronouncing it differently. They said anime. So which is it? It's either. Jodan desu yo, jodan. Actually, anime is a loan word from Japanese into English. So if you're speaking English, anime is perfectly fine. But if you're speaking Japanese, well, you have two options. Both are pronounced with the ah-nee-may. But there are two different pitch accents. Listen and repeat after Yumi.
Anime, 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 anime。チャンネル登録してね。